guys, it's day 2 of D23 day, and I made it back to the Disneyland Resort, and I wanted to check out the things that I didn't get to check out yesterday. So I'm gonna go into the Disneyland Hotel just to see if the medallions are in there, because I heard that they're in there and they're also in Downtown Disney. So we're also gonna check out Downtown Disney as well. So let's go into the Disneyland Hotel and see if there's any D23 medallions in there. Let's go. Okay, so far they have like super cute festivities, like the balloons going into the Disneyland Hotel. It says D23 fan event. Very cute, very cute. All right, let's go inside. Here's some collectible medallions, but I don't know if these are the D23 ones, but probably not. But these are what they have here at the Disneyland Hotel. I just wanted to show you guys. And they're gold, so I'm pretty sure these are not them. I think the ones that I'm looking for are silver. Well, since I'm in here, I see some Starbeast cups here. So they got them here at the Disneyland Hotel. They also have this new sweater, which I did not see, and it says Disneyland Resort in the back. It's not a sweater, it's actually a crew neck. And this one's priced at $59.99. It's a brand new one that I've seen, but it's really cool. These are the sizes they have available, so I think this sweater is actually another one of the hot commodity items. They also have the bubble ones here and the pumpkin necklaces you can also grab here. And then they also have cute like pins. Here is a Mickey pin that's just in, it's new. This is new arrivals. And they do have like the pumpkins with the candy corns inside. They have Mickey, and they also have Minnie. You can also grab one of these like ciders. They have sweet pear cider, red apple, and caramel. And these ones are priced at $15.99. Okay, so this is new for the Haunted Mansion merch. They got in the Hat Ghost Loungefly, and it says Haunted Mansion on the back, which is really cool. This is really cool back. This would be matching cute with like the Hat Ghost zipper that just restocked in the parks yesterday. This is priced at $88. They also have this cute backpack. I love this one. I don't know why, but it's like very spacious. It has Haunted Mansion on the side, and this one is priced at $78, and there's only 3 left. Okay, so I just entered the Downtown Disney side, and it looks like there's like Disney Junior here as well. And I think the characters were outside yesterday, but I want to show you guys where you can take a photo right here. So this is where you can take a photo of the Disney Junior here in Downtown Disney. Okay, so here is a photo op of the Wizards Beyond Waverly Place that you can take a photo op right here, Downtown Disney. And it looks really cool. You could do like a Halloween picture right here. And then on this side, you can even take a picture with Mickey, Sorcerer Mickey right here. And they just did this art here for D23. It looks amazing. So it looks like the Disney Junior Let's Play show is actually here at Downtown Disney. And these are the times that you can see it from August 9th to the 11th. And you can watch Ariel come out here. And it's amazing. It's in Downtown Disney and at DCA. Really cool. Here's another cute little photo op that you could take with Ariel, and there's like little bubbles as balloons. Very, very cute to take a photo here. Okay, here at Pin Traders, they actually have a new Lorcana set that you guys can purchase. There's a bunch here left, and they have kiosks right here that you can purchase. The cast members are right here, and yeah, that's the new Lorcana game. I think there's even stuff going on at the Lego store as well. Oh my goodness. So at the Lego store, they're doing like D23 offers right now. You get double the points. You even get like a free gift for Disney, which I didn't even know that they're doing. But it's only from August 8th to 11th only. And this one is from August 8th to the 11th as well. Here are the lovely balloons that we all so love. Oh my god, Radiator Springs, how cute. Okay, we're gonna go into the dress shop because I want to see if there's this crew neck I'm looking for. It's like a sweater, so let me see if it's here. Here is a new Hocus Pocus dress that I haven't seen. It's really cute. I love the colors of it. And this one is $128, and this is what it looks like in the back. Cute little bow. It's a cute little Hocus Pocus dress. They also have Haunted Mansion fannies here, and also the backpack. I really want the fanny to match with my ears. This one's $49.99, and the backpack is $49.99. $29.99. Very cute. The backpack is cute too. Maybe I like the set. Okay, so the cast member said, so the one I was looking for was the Ghost crew neck. It's like a gray one. It's like a brand new crew neck that everyone is like loving right now. So they had it this morning and they restocked in the morning and then they sold out. So if you guys want that crew neck, definitely come extra early in the morning to get it, because I even want it as well. So I'm gonna have to come super early next time, maybe before my shift, just to go get that sweater, because you know, Disney merch just restocks and sells out because all the people want the same thing, like me. But yes, we're gonna be going into World of Disney to see if there is any more D23 merch left, which I'm doubting, but we'll see. So let's go inside. All right guys, we are heading into World of Disney. Okay, so this is where they have the D23 merch at. This is the bag that I want to purchase because I love tote bags and they still have them. The bag is priced at $29.99. They also have the magnet, which is priced at $14.99. There was a shirt too, but I don't know if they still have the shirt, so let me check on the other side. Added to the collection, this is a new Monsters Inc. t-shirt, and this one is priced at $64.99. This one is also another Monsters Inc. shirt. It's embroidered, and this one is priced at $34.99. Very cute. I like this one. That one looks like super comfy with like these like sweats. That'd be super cute. And if they had the shorts left, I would get the shorts too. But I like this shirt, but they only have big sizes. But yeah. But you can pair this shirt with the backpack or the hat. Okay, so here is a new long sleeve crew neck added to the mix of the Halloween stuff. We got Daisy, Minnie, and Clarabelle as the Sanderson sisters. And this one is $59.99. There is not a lot of sizes left, only big sizes, but I definitely want to pick this one up too because I love the material of this. Really cool. I don't think I showed you guys this bag, but there is a Pirates bag, Pirates of the Caribbean bag here, and it is $78. This is what it looks like in the back, and this is how much quantity they have left. Here's a new look at the new Woody Backpack Loungefly. There is even a Buzz Lightyear one. I think it's a new one. But these are really cute. I like this Woody one a lot. It's very cute. This one is priced at $88. I think the same with Buzz as well. Let's see. Buzz is $88. So they have these new bags added to the mix. Here is Baymax. He's priced at $44.99. He's really cute. These are like, I don't know, they remind me of like Tokyo bags. And this is what it says in the back, Disneyland Resort. They also have Stitch right here at the bottom. These ones are priced at $44. Also, it has Disneyland Resort, and look, he bit the Disneyland D sign. Oh my goodness, cute. But these ones are another hot commodity. They just came out today. They only have Baymax and Stitch at World Disney. Here is the Tarzan stuff that I wanted to show you guys yesterday, but I couldn't. But here is the Loungefly. It is very cute. You can put your ears in there, which is very nice. This one's priced at $88. They even have the Tarzan ears, which are very cute. It's celebrating the 25th year. Very, very cute. I love them. This one is priced at $44, and it matches with the Loungefly. So if you have the Loungefly, definitely get the ears. Very cute. Then they have the cute little ornament of Tarzan and Jane on a vine. And this one is priced at $26.99. They also have a cup right here. It has Tarzan in the front. This one's priced at $24.99. They even have a commemorative pin celebrating 25 years, limited edition. Only 750 were made. $44.99 for this one. They even have the little monkey. I forgot what the Turk, that's his name, Turk. Little plush, $29.99. Very cute, very soft. Guys, look how cute this canvas is. I need this for my room. It's a certificate of authentication, Thomas Kincaid, and they're all like drawn art. They even have Snow White, and they have Aurora, and more Snow White. They have Beauty and the Beast. They have Tiana. Okay, I need Tiana and Ariel. They even have Jasmine and Aladdin. I want all my favorite princesses for these. They have Tangled. Rapunzel and Flintwarner? Oh my gosh. It looks like they're doing a special screening of The Descendants at the Disneyland Hotel on the Lawn at 8 o'clock for the D23 event. But this is cool. I won't get to see this, but that's really cool to do. Here is a little statue of Sorcerer Mickey for the D23 event. It's really cute. Oh my goodness. He looks so cute right here. Lovely. I do still have the D23 treats. They have the cookie, the little pretzel sticks, and then these are what they have for the prices. And they also have the Rice Krispies. Okay guys, so there wasn't anything at the Grand Hotel. I was supposed to film like the little treats that they have for D23, but I think it's only available from a specific time from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I was unable to get that, but I'm gonna see if I can try to come tomorrow because I do want to take a picture with the D23 sign. It's been 3 days, or like it's gonna be 3 days that I'm gonna be doing like content for you guys, but I'm like super exhausted and I'm working the event tomorrow, so I'm excited for that. I just came to pick up my costume for that day because I'm gonna be starting at 5:30 in the morning. It's gonna be madness, but I'm gonna have fun because I'm working D23, so I could say I went to the event for D23. So yeah. Okay guys, that does it here for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the D23 festivities. I try to catch everything, but it's like super hard because the heat makes it harder, and then running around everywhere, and then like each area has something different. Like for instance, hotels have something different, Downtown Disney has something different, Disneyland has something different, DCA. I wasn't able to catch the DCA parade, the Disney Junior parade. I don't know how long is gonna be out for, maybe till Sunday. I didn't really check the schedule. And I also missed the medallions and what they look like. I couldn't show you guys in a picture, but those sold out like really fast. So yeah, that is just like insane. But yeah, and then also I missed the festivities in the Grand Hotel, but I did film the cute little Sorcerer Mickey there. And I think that's the only things I missed. Oh, and then the emblem when you walk into Disneyland, I missed that as well because I just like literally passed it. But yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button on this video and subscribe if you haven't, if you want some more fun here on Kananiverse. But I'll see you guys in the next one. On the next video, I'll probably do more of like Halloween drops because I know there's gonna be new stuff dropping, and there's a set of new popcorn buckets and treats, so I'm gonna be filming that for you. And I got a special look into Oogie Boogie, so I got a first preview for Oogie Boogie, so I'm gonna be filming that for you guys. just for you guys. So yeah, so get ready for all the spectacular fun here on Kananiverse. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.